Good morning guys, in front of me is LG L70 and let me show you how to set up this device. So at first select the language in which you want to use your phone and then click on next. Then you can connect your device to network, but I will skip it for now. Here I've got some Google and location information, so just go through all of them and mark those that you agree with. Now enter your last and first name or some nicknames that you want to add as the user. Tap on done then. And now you can create your own knock code using the 4 quarters of the screen if you want to. Let me add it. Then re-enter it just to confirm. That would be your lock screen. Tap on next. Here you can set up a backup pin code. Re-enter it also to confirm. And that's it. Now here's your phone name. You can also set lost phone contact, but I will skip it for now. And that's it. As you can see, your device is set, then you can customize it a bit more via settings, which are over here under apps. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.